Hi everyone, today we have this platform called OmniSend, and this is the best all-in-one e-commerce marketing platform. Before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can access to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses on OmniSend. Talking about e-commerce marketing platform, now it have to offer amazing features like, for example, abandoned cart, SMS, and emailing, so you can start with your email campaigns to grab those audiences and customers. So it is basically a powerful, alone, unbeatable software that provides you, like, for example, your email workflows, that you can even create your triggers and workflows that are going to be totally automated to build your sales funnel type of system. You can see you can engage your shoppers wherever they are with integrated email and SMS campaigns. All templates are 100% customizable, so you can give your customers the own brand personalized experience they love. And this is really amazing. Now you can see we have various other autopilot systems as well in here. You can see your precise targeting a breeze system using your segments that you can create. So amazing tool for if you want to integrate your Shopify Plus, BigCommerce, WordPress, WooCommerce, and amazing integrations. You can work with them as well. And you also have your one-click store integrations, complete data sync, and amazing customer support. Now, if you are unsure about OmniSend, let me show you some of its reviews. Amidst the marketing battle, it is firmly positioned. You can see finally my forever ESP. Also, you can see OmniSend reviews that are left by other people as well. Great flexibility for template options. So make sure to give it a try using the link in the description. That can get you extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses. Thank you so much, and see you guys around in the next video.